In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style form blocks on Squarespace. If you've ever felt that your Squarespace form doesn't quite match the rest of your website's aesthetic, this is the video for you. We'll walk through everything you need to know to make sure your forms are just as polished as the rest of your site. First, you'll want to access your site styles. To do this, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. You'll see a menu on the left-hand side, and from there, navigate to Design. Under Design, you'll find Site Styles. Clicking on this will open up the options you need to make those stylish form changes. Now, with Site Styles open, let's locate the form settings. You might need to scroll a bit, but keep an eye out for the Forms section. This is where you can fine-tune all the stylistic elements of your forms. It's a pivotal area because once you're in, the entire look of your form is at your fingertips. When you're in the Forms section, it's time to start customizing your form elements. Let's begin with fonts. Here, you can adjust the typography for each part of your form, including labels, inputs, and buttons. Make sure to choose fonts that are consistent with the overall theme of your website for a seamless look. Remember, readability is key. So opt for fonts that enhance user experience while keeping aligned with your site's vibe. Next up are colors. Colors are crucial because they set the mood and guide the visitor's eye to important areas. In the Customization panel, you can modify the background, text, and border colors for your forms. Consider using your brand's colors to maintain consistency across your site. It's the small details that make your forms stand out and look professional. Spacing is another vital element. You have the power to control the padding and margins to perfectly space out your form elements. Proper spacing can improve the flow and readability of your form, making it easier for users to interact with each field without feeling cluttered. As you continue exploring, you'll stumble upon the field options. Here, you'll be able to apply styles to checkboxes, radio buttons, and survey fields. This is particularly useful if your form includes multiple choice questions or complex input fields. By styling these elements, you ensure they are visually integrated into the design of your form. Lastly, we have effects. This is where you can add some dynamic flair to your forms. Applying animations to form fields or submit buttons can make your forms appear more engaging. However, a word of caution: subtlety is key. You want these effects to enhance the experience, not distract from the main task of filling out the form. So there you have it. Styling form blocks in Squarespace doesn't have to be a chore. By following these steps and paying attention to the details, you can create forms that not only look fantastic, but also provide a great user experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps you take your Squarespace site to the next level.